So you know how to rearrange the words in the proper order to get the sentence as a sensible sentence. Now I'll give you some words. With that words you have to make sentences. Through. Through. This word should consist in a sentence. It has to come into a sentence. How do you use this word in a sentence? Make a sentence with this word through. I ran through the corridor. I went through a lot of problems. I know if I can't go through that, I shouldn't try. I shouldn't try to go through a place where I cannot go. Through means to go into. That's the meaning. Or going through that. Going, facing. That is through. So first I said, I ran through the corridors, which you should not be doing it. But in a sentence you can use, I go through a lot of problems. Come through this way. So this word is used in all those places. Through. Through this way you cannot pass. So there is an improper way of saying it. You can't say through first, okay? Through means going into. That is the meaning of that through. Come through the proper way. So through can be used in many places. So this is how you use words in a sentence. Now the next one, down. These are simple words I am giving you. So this kind of words you should use, and not this kind I am saying. You have to learn to use sentences with words. Down. Please come down. The boy had fallen down. So the word down comes in that sentence. Down means wood is on the ground. So when you fall, you will fall down. I had a fall and somebody picked me up. But then the fall is not coming with the down there, okay? Isn't it? Down is not come, the fall, down. I had fallen down. Not I fall down. Okay, that is in present tense, I fall down. Past tense, I fell down. Come down. Please come down. Knocked down. A boy was knocked down by the lorry. Knocked down. That means hit and fallen down. Knocked down by the lorry. So these are the where you use the words in a sentence. Now, near. Nearby. Use this in a sentence. Nearby. There's a shop nearby my house. There's a shop nearby my house. My school is nearby to my home or to my house. School is nearby. There are a lot of shops nearby my house. So this word is used to make a sentence. In a sentence you use nearby. We used what all? Yeah, the shops are nearby my house. There is a church nearby my house. So the nearby word is used in the sentence. So now don't only go through this. Many other words you can use and make sentences. Okay. Now let's take your textbook, page number 7. Let's go through the meanings. Sage. Sage. A wise person is called a sage. Sage, wise person. Wise person is called a sage. Here, feast, it's given a special meal. So, feast is like a celebration. Feast is celebration. Kher, it's a Hindi word, a sweet made of rice, milk and sugar. A sweet made of rice, milk and sugar. Thrilled, very happy. When you are overjoyed, that is thrilled. Very happy and excited. Upset, sad and angry. That is called upset. Upset means something which is not comfortable to your mind. When somebody says or somebody do something against it, you will be very upset. That means you are sad and you will be same time you will be angry also, sad and angry. Okay, now let's take page number 7. Take that page 7. In this lesson there are some boys, two sets of boys we are talking about. The first set of boys, they are not specifying anything, but the second set of boys, or the set of boys which came last, the sage is saying that they are a kind of boys. What kind of boys they were? They were very naughty boys. They were very naughty boys. They were not behaving properly. Now I'll give you the fill in the blanks. They lived and dash sage and dash. They lived in, you have to read your lesson only, then you will be able to fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks will be from the text itself. The lived and dash sage and dash sage. What sage? Old sage. And then who was the sage? Was also a teacher. Yes. After many years studying, they would return home and a new group of dash would come. New group of what? New group of students. New group of students will come. So to fill in the blanks, you have to read the lesson thoroughly, only then you will be able to fill in the blanks. Okay. Then answer these questions. Why did the boys come to live with the teacher? The boys came to live with the teacher to study and be with the sage in that place where they were staying. Now, how did the boys treat one another? Did they treat them properly? No, they were not treating them properly. They were always fighting. Now, I am only just giving a rough answer. The answers are given in the notebook, so please learn the answers. Okay. Now, 1 minute. So the question answers you have to go through, and also you have to learn the opposites. That means antonyms. Opposites means antonyms. Young. What will be the opposite of young? Old. Young. Opposite is old. Then slow, fast. Slow, fast. And one more thing I want to tell you. 1 minute. Yeah. The trees bow down. Is it true or false? Tree bow down? Yes. Tree? Yes. It bow down means it's bent down. The sage was living in a city. Is it true or false? The sage was living in a city. It is false. So only if you read the lesson you will be able to write whether the sentence is correct or not. So please go through the lesson thoroughly and learn from the notes also. The question answers are given and the meanings. Then what else? Antonyms. So please go through all that and then be prepared for the what? Prepare for the exams. So Monday the exams are starting, and learn the poem also. Okay. So see you. Hope to see you tomorrow at least. I hope it won't be a holiday. Okay then. See you children. Bye.